Hey everybody, I thought today that I would try to set up Steam on a Linux box. I have this box that's very similar to a Steam Deck, but I think is a little bit more powerful. If we look, the box that I'm currently on has 32 gigs of memory and has a Radeon 680M and a Ryzen 7735HS. So it's not super recent, but it's not out of the realm of usability yet. This is in a minis forum box that looks very tiny. There's a lot of cables coming out of it right now. But if we look at the comparisons from this machine to the Steam Deck, we see we've got a little bit faster and a few more threads. So we expect a little bit better CPU performance there. If we look at the Steam Deck GPU, it's over here on the right on this one. It's not quite as powerful. It's not way far behind until you look at the number of transistors and the fact that this is pouring in over twice as much, almost 3 times as many watts. That translates into almost 3 times as many teraflops. We expect it's going to have better performance than a Steam Deck on both CPU and GPU and memory. We will get something better than the Steam Deck out of it. That's kind of where we're aiming for here. So I'm going to close all these. I have not installed Steam in Fedora before. I need to find out how to do that. Steam installation with Fedora. There's an issue with Steam installed from FlatHub. The issue is being tracked. This will require enabling an external repository. Use the terminal. I like the terminal. And then I also pulled up, there was this just 3 months ago, but it says to do the same thing, it looks like. Open the terminal and do the update, do the Steam. Oh, that makes it look real quick. Enable third party. Menu button and software. Now enable third party in RPM Fusion. Okay, let's see if that matches this. Launch the terminal, run the following command. Install free RPM Fusion free. That one sounds different. I think I'm going to go with this one for Fedora 30. I'll update if... This is always the trick with Steam, or not Steam, but Linux OS. It's always more than just one option to do things. So let's just try doing the third-party release thing first. Let's go over here. I'm gonna hit the menu button, choose Software Repositories. See if I can find that. Maybe it's under Software, Menu button, Software Repositories. Fedora Flatpaks, said not to do the Flatpak. Third party, enable new repositories, that's good. Okay, I think we're in good shape there. We'll go back. We're going to run the terminal. Window key. Oh, I have it here already. Thought I would need to use it. Alright, so we're going to run sudo dnf update -- refresh. Going to put in the super secret thing for me. And it's doing something, so let's do a sudo dnf install steam -y. Well, we'll let it do its thing here. Installed Steam there. Let's go look to see if it ended up. Application Steam. Let's launch Steam. So good. So it installed itself and then it knew enough about how to update itself. Now I think, and this is the same way it works on Mac and Linux, is like it downloads a small installer and then that installer client becomes like the updater pack for it. Whenever you launch Steam, it launches the updater, and if the updater says everything's okay, then it launches the real Steam. It's downloaded and managed. There is the latest version of Baldur's Gate 3. It would be interesting to see how that runs, but I know it's like 100 gigabyte download. Maybe once I get this updated all the way and get a download started, we can come back and see how things work with it. We'll at least get to the page where I can start downloading it, see what it says about it to start with. I think it's fully Steam Deck compatible. It may even have a Linux client already. Don't remember me, I always forget my stuff in that case. Alright, so let me put that there and I'll drag it off screen and I'll type in the thing. Whenever I look at the top, I've got this Penguin, show only games that run on Linux, and I've got show only ready to play games, which is nothing. I don't have anything installed yet. Baldur's Gate 3. Now it says I can install it, and it says I've already played through it, so don't think that this is going to be a new experience for me. Install it, install, accept. So this part's probably going to take a while, so I'm going to go ahead and stop the video there, but once it's done, I'm going to come back and start trying to play some Baldur's Gate 3 on a Steam Deck-like mini PC that will show me what my future as a Steam Linux gamer could be. I hope y'all enjoy the journey with me. Thanks for watching.